Hi, I'm Dr. Harika from Hyderabad. Firstly, I was very skeptical regarding whether to join cosmetic gynecology or not. I called Prabhu Mishra sir. He told me like what all you can learn. Still, I was very skeptical whether to join or not. Later, I just gave a thought, and I felt that this is the one of the emerging branch and subspecialty in gynecology. So I decided to join. I joined and the course, it was really awesome. I got to learn many new things like fillers, stem cell therapy and Botox injections, threads and labiaplasty, vaginoplasties, G shots, O shots, intima cell preparations, whatnot. We can learn all the new things which are emerging into cosmetic gynecology. This is really a good platform. You can really get to know many things. That is, there is another world beyond what we have been learning since ages in gynecology. So I strongly recommend whoever feel like coming, this is the better platform. It will be a friendly atmosphere. Rather than learning, you'll enjoy the learning process. Finally, after the coaching, you'll be more confident. All your doubts will be cleared in person. Prabhu Mishra sir and Dr. Nidhi ma'am and Dr. Poonam Mishra ma'am, all were so elaborative. The things were really good over here. They'll take care like their own kids, and they'll teach you. Whoever feel like coming, I strongly recommend this thing because we have got many cosmetic gynecology courses. I feel this is the better because I have done a lot of research before joining into this regarding what to join, which one to join. Finally, I felt my decision was 100% right. Not 100%, 200%. It's completely worth joining here. That's all. Thank you.